Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to set name on the lock screen in your Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down and then go to lock screen and AOD. After that scroll down a bit and here you can see contact information, then just tap here and that's it. Now from here you can add any information on the lock screen as you want. Now if you want to set your name on the lock screen, just type your name and then tap on done. After that, if I lock my device and go to lock screen, and that's it. You can see on the lock screen at the bottom my name is showing and here it is. You can also add your phone number from here. Just tap here again and then type your phone number and then tap on done and then go to lock screen and that's it. And that is how you can set name on the lock screen in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.